What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a custom slash command in the Claude. So for that, make sure you stick with the video till the end. It's going to be a bit of a conceptual and complicated video. So if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share. So first thing is that the custom slash commands are just the instructions or the MD files with a set of instruction or the prompt saved as a skill. So we are recalling that, not any other thing. So what we're gonna do is first create an empty file in our project. Then we're gonna name it something, and once it's been done, we are going to go ahead and call it from the Claude Code. So let's dive right into the video. Hey Claude, create a new MD file inside of my project Wexley, name it NUKE, and type in the instruction. Whenever I go ahead and use it as a backslash component and then this file name, it will go ahead and check if everything on the project is also uploaded on my GitHub under the same repo. So yeah, this will be the whole purpose of this specific file. Whenever I call this file, it will go ahead and make the Claude check my GitHub and the project and synchronize both of those. So yeah, create it and then let me know. So what it will do, it is going to go ahead and create a file, and then we will be able to actually go ahead and see it. Let's see if it has. So in order to use it, we are going to use component, or if you are guys are new, then we guys can go ahead and skill file. In the skill file, we are going to link it with like of the file that we have just named, like this one, and it will open up and run it like that. So yeah, so Claude exists in the repo, but no commands yet. Creating is there, so no works while you are in the project. So we are working on it so that it actually works, and we are gonna see it in a couple of minutes. So two things to flag. First, we are going to use .claude slash commands and then slash no. So it will work it like that. I hope you find this really helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.